So as you can tell, pretty small unboxing. This is from friend of the show, Royal Surge. If you have not seen, we did a big full length, like 1 hour long, I think it was like 54 minutes or so length interview with Isaac from Royal Surge. If you haven't seen that, or if you're interested by the end of the video, what the mastermind behind these types of designs has to say, it'll be linked in the description down below. Alright, so the first thing I'll say before I get this open is that the packaging could use a little bit of improvement. It's got my address on it, like written on it, and then also the like shipping label, which is unnecessary to have both. I'm not exactly sure what process they went through, but yeah, I'm not really sure what reason they had for writing the addresses on there with Sharpie, but in the future I would just go with the shipping label. With that being said though, this was ordered a long time ago. I think it was like 2 months ago. I talked with Isaac. There were a bunch of production issues, so usually doesn't take that long, and I think he said because of that experience he wants to move towards like pre-made rather than pre-order. So they originally planned to, you know, take a while to ship, but because of the production issues on top of that, it led to even longer wait times, which I think he was a little frustrated with. So hopefully the upcoming releases are a little bit better. But with that being said, we'll get this open. It's just a t-shirt. It's the, I think, Hide My Emotions one is what they called it. So we got the tee. I've never ordered from him before, so I don't know if they do stickers or anything. Looks like we got an invoice, and yeah, no stickers, but we got the t-shirt right here. Just looking at it in the bag, the print looks really nice actually, and I do like the packaging that they have the t-shirts in. It's really small, or it's really condensed for an XL. But yeah, here we go. First look at it. We also have a print on the back. So we got this heart here with, or I guess a smiley face with a heart inside, and then flip it over on the back, and we have this I Hide My Emotions spell out. And another thing I noticed is they have a custom print tag, which it looks really nice. I don't know. Feels like DTG, the method that they probably went with on these, but yeah, I like it. Alright, so here's some close-ups for you guys. Hopefully the camera focuses. If not, I'll have to put in some like B-roll close-ups, which I'll probably end up doing anyway, but there are the close-ups for you guys. And with that being said, let me try this on, let you guys know what the sizing is like. I'm not sure what blanks they used for this. There is a little bit of a tag present here, but it's cut off. It could be Jerseee's. I know Jerseee's has these like longer vertical tags, which this appears to be similar, so maybe it's a Jersey blank, but I'm just not sure. All right, so here it is. It's fitting fine, it fits good. I was kind of anticipating that this big graphic here would feel a little bit like heavier or uncomfortable on the inside. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. Sometimes the like really big graphics, the big prints, something along these lines, would feel uncomfortable on the inside. But yeah, it actually feels pretty lightweight and it feels pretty good. As far as the fit goes, XL, it's true to size. It's on par with what a lot of the other XLs are, so can't complain in that category. So as promised, this is a pretty short unboxing. That's all I got to go over. Also, like I mentioned before, if you did enjoy this video or you want to find out more about the artist, some interesting stories he had. He's done work with Trippie Redd, and he has stories with like Polo G and stuff, which I thought was pretty cool. All of that is included in the interview that I did with him back in like January or December. But they'll be linked in the description down below. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.